Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you my new GHome three-way light switches. So these came in a 4-pack. So these are Wi-Fi enabled smart switches that work for three-way applications. So that basically means whenever you have more than one light switch controlling a light fixture, you would need something like this to go in. It could go in either end, but it could replace either switch and it'll make it smart. So you don't need to replace both switches. As long as one of them is a smart switch, then it'll work. So in the box come these switches. So these don't look like a typical switch, they look a little different. I'll show you a typical switch right next to it so you can compare. So this is a Leviton three-way light switch, and here are the 4 wires that will connect to it, and over here are 3 holes plus 2 wires. So let me explain how this works. So whenever you have a smart switch, you're going to need a neutral wire. The switch gets connected to the neutral. So this white wire is going to connect to your neutral in your box. Usually on a standard switch like this one, you're not touching that neutral. The neutrals are just going to be bundled up in the back. This wire over here is the ground, so that's going to be equivalent to this green over here. Then if you look over here, you can see the center hole is going to be for the live wire. That's your hot wire. Then you have Traveler 1 and Traveler 2. To install these, you're going to take the screws that come in the box over here, these 3 gold screws. They're going to go in on top here, and you just stick the wire in the bottom here, and then you screw it in on top and tug it a little to make sure it's locked in place. So you can do it for your 3 wires. So over here, just in order to get the correct wires in the correct place, you'll see this switch has 2 gold screws and a black one. The black screw is your hot, right, or your live, so that's going to go in the center. And then the other 2 are going to be your Traveler 1 and 2. They could go in either one, it doesn't make a difference. So don't worry about what color these wires are. They might be black, they might be white, they might be red. Whatever they are, just follow that. This black screw goes into live, the gold ones go into Traveler. So now I'm going to show you, I installed one of them right over here. So I have it open right now, so we're not going to get too close, but I just wanted to show you the typical setup. So over here is how the switch will look. They're going to push it into the wall in a minute after we turn back on the electricity. Over here on top, you can see you got that black, red, and white wires. The white and red ones are those Traveler wires like I showed you before, and that center one is your live wire. Then you can see on the bottom we have this one that's connecting the neutral to tie it in with the rest of the neutrals that are currently bundled in the back. I didn't have room for more wires there, so I added an extra wire there and put this here because I'm going to be making these smart switches as well. I opened up, this one was taped. I uncovered it so you can see how it was before. Like I told you before, that black wire on this one goes to a gold screw, but you see it's also got another black over here for the black screw and a red wire for the gold screw. But disregard, don't worry about what color goes where. Just remember that black is your hot, and then the 2 golds are your Travelers. So once you have it all wired correctly, you just gotta download the Tuyo or the Smart Life app, and you will click Add Device. Make sure you have your network username, and then you can add it and set it up. Once it's all set up, you can control it with your voice, you can control it with Alexa or Google Home, or you can control it with the app or with your phone. So multiple ways to control it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I could help you out. Thank you. Have an amazing day.